On LaunchPad's homepage, assignments are placed in the order they are due in their assigned sections. You can also click on Show Past Due to see all your past due assignments. To see the items assigned in a unit, click on the unit. You can view your progress, the due date, and the points for each assignment. Tags to the right will show you which items you must do, which are optional, meaning they're not assigned for points, and which are extra credit. If an assignment has no points, it means that it will not appear in your gradebook, but your instructor would like you to complete it. To complete your work, simply click on the assigned item and begin. To navigate in between assignments, use the Next or Previous buttons. The Home button is always present on all screens. Click to return to your home page. Access to the eBook, Gradebook, Assignment Calendar, resources your instructor has not assigned are organized together on the left-hand menu. The menu can collapse to provide more space on the page. Thank you for using LaunchPad.